Account types. There are two main account types in PortaBilling, plus one auxiliary type. Debit accounts are used for prepaid services, prepaid calling cards, for example. A debit account balance shows how much money the account has available. Typically, debit accounts start with a positive balance value, $10, $20. With every call made, the balance decreases until it reaches zero or very close to zero, so that the customer cannot make any more calls. One very important feature concerning debit accounts is that PortaBilling allows only one concurrent call with the same debit account, so as to prevent fraudulent usage of prepaid cards. For credit accounts, the balance shows how much money a customer or account holder owes. This is like the balance on your credit card. Typically, it starts at zero, in which case no money is owed yet, and with each call, it goes up and up. The credit account can be assigned a credit limit. When the balance reaches this limit, PortaBilling will block any further calls. When a customer makes a payment, his balance decreases, so he can make more calls. Credit accounts are typically used for postpaid services. PortaBilling also allows you to run a postpaid service in secure mode. When a customer registers for your service, for example, a wholesale traffic exchange, your concern is that he might just use up all his available credit and then disappear. In such a case, you can set the customer's credit limit to zero, which means you are basically not extending any real credit to him, and request a deposit. The customer's balance will be negative, reflecting the fact that you now owe him money, and he can keep sending you traffic until his balance reaches zero, i.e., his deposit is used up. A voucher is a special type of account that can be used to top up a balance or recharge an account of the two major types, credit or debit. It may be used as an alternative to cash or credit card payments from your customers, who can instead go to a shop or kiosk and buy a voucher. Every voucher has an ID number, and customers top up the balance on their main account by using this ID. So if, for example, someone buys a voucher for $10, then $10 will be added to his main account. PortaBilling offers both credit and debit types of accounts for various combinations of prepaid and postpaid services. PortaBilling vouchers allow your end users to top up the balance on their main accounts.